Are you tired of dealing with dry air causing skin irritation, sinus problems, or unhappy houseplants? A humidifier might be the solution you're looking for, and not just during winter. Beyond the seasonal need, these devices prove invaluable year-round, aiding everything from sinus problems to allergies. In our comprehensive Best Humidifier Reviews, we explore the diverse world of humidifiers, from cool mist to top fill options, to help you choose the perfect one for your specific needs. Starting our guide with the Syvio BPA-Free Cool Mist Smart Humidifier. Introducing Syvio Smart Humidifier, a powerhouse against dry air and its associated discomforts. With a 2.8-liter tank, this 2-in-1 humidifier and essential oil diffuser boasts an impressive runtime of over 24 hours. What sets it apart is its 4x faster humidification, covering a 320 square feet room effortlessly. The Smart Auto On or Off feature, guided by a built-in humidity sensor, ensures optimal moisture levels without the risk of over-humidification. Its 3 mist levels, digital LED touchscreen, and ultra-quiet operation make it ideal for any setting, from bedrooms to offices. The top-fill design adds convenience, while BPA-free construction prioritizes the well-being of your family, pets, and plants. Experience personalized humidity with Syvio, your perfect year-round companion. Second on our guide is the LEVOIT 6000S Evaporative Humidifier for home. It stands out as a whole-house hydration solution. With a substantial 6-gallon tank and a powerful 1500 ml/hour output, it efficiently covers 3,000 square feet, providing consistent humidity levels for up to 72 hours. Its ultrasonic misting technology ensures a mist-free, furniture-friendly environment. The innovative evaporative technology, coupled with a premium filter, guarantees over 3 months of efficient use. Smart features such as Auto Home and Auto Away mode, voice control, and a silent scene care mode make it a versatile and convenient addition to any space. The user-friendly design, including wheels for mobility and a space-saving foldable structure, enhances its practicality. Number 3 on our guide is the Syvio Warm and Cool Mist Humidifiers for Baby. This offers a 3-in-1 solution, a humidifier, aroma diffuser, and nightlight in an adorable dolphin-inspired design. The 2.5-liter capacity ensures a runtime of 50 hours, providing dual care with both warm and cool mist options suitable for all ages and seasons. Its whisper-quiet operation, below 22 dB, guarantees undisturbed sleep for your little one. The unit's adjustable humidity control, timer, and low water indicator offer customizable comfort and peace of mind. With a rainbow spectrum of more than 7 colors, the nightlight creates a dreamy ambience. Troubleshooting is made simple, and the customer support team ensures satisfaction. Transform your baby space into a soothing haven with Syvio's innovative and child-friendly humidifier. Number 4 on our guide is the Welov Ultrasonic Quiet Air Humidifier. Welov Humidifier is a game-changer, combining convenience and powerful performance. Its smart app and voice control feature allow remote management, ensuring your space stays perfectly humidified. The Boost Mist patented technology delivers a rapid mist output of up to 550 ml/hour, increasing room humidity by 20% in just 10 minutes. With a generous 6-liter capacity, this filter-free humidifier lasts an impressive 90 hours, providing quiet companionship for 10 peaceful nights. The eye-protecting nightlight with adjustable brightness adds a soothing touch, while the timer function and durable construction make it a fantastic choice for healthier air. Experience the next level of humidification with Welov. Number 5 on our guide is the Paris Rhône Warm Mist Humidifier. Redefines comfort with its innovative features. The ultrasonic technology heats water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, dispersing a soothing 149 degrees Fahrenheit mist for enhanced breathing and relief from cold symptoms. Ideal for large spaces up to 753 square feet, it humidifies efficiently with a 360-degree rotatable nozzle. The top fill design ensures easy refills and cleaning, complemented by customizable humidity levels ranging from 30% to 90%. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with its low-noise operation, optional nightlight, and the ability to infuse soothing fragrances. The nanocoat technology adds waterproofing, ensuring durability for a longer lifetime. Experience warmth, health, and tranquility with Paris Rhône. Number 6 on our list is the Ganiza Z200 Cool Mist Air Humidifier for bedrooms. Ganiza Z200 offers superior efficiency and convenience. With a 4-liter water tank, it runs quietly for up to 50 hours, perfect for large spaces. The 360-degree rotating nozzle provides optimal coverage, and the customizable mist output ensures ideal humidity levels. Operating below 22 dB, it's perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. Advanced misting technology prevents water leakage, keeping surfaces dry. The visible water level line and easy-to-use touch control make it hassle-free, while automatic water shortage protection ensures safety. Experience hassle-free humidity with Ganiza's reliable and user-friendly humidifier. Last product on our guide is the Welov H500 humidifier for large rooms. It is a winter essential, combating dry air for ultimate comfort. Boasting 5x faster humidification with boost mist technology, it increases humidity by 30% in just 18 minutes. With a 6-liter capacity, it humidifies spaces up to 753 square feet for 90 hours, and its adjustable mist output ensures personalized comfort. Operating at a whisper-quiet 22 dB, it's perfect for nights, while the sleep mode ensures no disruptions. Ideal for plants and offering a timer function, this humidifier is a versatile solution for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, complete with an adjustable nightlight for added relaxation. We hope this video helped you find the best humidifier for your home.